countries, one ancient temple, and decades of tension. Thailand and Cambodia have long clashed over a sacred Hindu temple, Preha Vihar. Preha Vihar is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, built by the Khmer Empire in the 9th century. It stands high on the Dengrek Mountains, right on the border between Cambodia and Thailand. Its location is beautiful but also very sensitive. How did a Hindu temple appear in Cambodia? From the 1st to 13th century, Indian culture spread across Southeast Asia through trade and travel. Local kings adopted Hinduism, Sanskrit, Indian architecture, and even Indian style of kingship. Preha Vihar wasn't built by Indians, but by a local Khmer kings who worshipped Lord Shiva. Kings like Yashovarman I and Suryavarman I were great patrons of Hinduism. They built this temple to honor Shiva as Shikareshwara, the Lord of the Hill. The temple's hilltop location was not random. In Hindu belief, Shiva lives on Mount Kailash. So this temple on a mountain was a perfect spiritual spot. Construction began in the 9th century and continued over 3 centuries. It served religious, political, and symbolic roles. It was a sacred site, a show of royal power and spiritual link between earth and heaven. But peace didn't last forever. In 1962, the International Court of Justice ruled the temple belongs to Cambodia. Thailand disagreed, especially over 4.6 square kilometers of land near the temple. In 2008, Cambodia listed Preha Vihar as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thailand protested, saying it was unfair. Troops gathered, gunfights, rockets, and landmines followed. At least 38 people were killed and many forced to flee the region. Tensions have returned in recent years. Both sides blame each other, and while peace talks continue, the border remains tense. Why does this conflict matter? Preha Vihar is more than a temple. It holds the faith, history, and national pride of two nations. For Cambodia, it is part of their ancient Khmer identity. For Thailand, it represents land they feel emotionally tied to. Preha Vihar was built to honor Shiva and bring peace, but today it's caught on conflict. Until both sides agree, the fate of this or site remains uncertain.